For many people, it's important that our Irish politicians go to America and advocate for the rights of undocumented people, absolutely. But it is hypocritical that subsequent governments have gone and advocated for their rights when they would continue to do nothing for undocumented people here. So, we would be saying to the Irish state and to the Irish government that we also need to clean up our system here, which would give legitimacy to their advocacy efforts in the United States. And next year, hopefully, will be a year for the Irish undocumented when they will become regularised as immigration reform is going to the Houses of Congress. And the proposal we have with the Minister at the moment is very similar to the one that's in the United States. It's a proposal for earned regularisation, which allows people to come forward and earn their right to permanent residency over a period of time, over 5 years. It's not an amnesty, but we're asking for people to earn residency under strict criteria, such as working, paying taxes, being a member of the community. So this isn't an automatic amnesty. It's something that people have to earn. And I think that's a very, very important point. We're not asking for an amnesty for people or for forgiveness for people. We're asking for people to enter a scheme where they have to be visible and contribute.